Okay, everybody, let's try this again. Let me know if you can see my screen and if you can hear me okay, all right? I'm going to send the invite over to Heather, and then we'll get started here. All right, I got my test screen up. It looks like the screen's coming up. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Type in a number 7 again when you can see the screen all right. All right, we got Heather with us now. We'll get started here in just a minute, so just make sure that you can see the screen all right and that you can hear me, and type in a number 7 and we'll get started. One person typed in a Y, so if you can hear me and see the screen all right, type in number 7, please. All right, everyone's starting to be able to see us now. They're typing in number 7, so we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to share my screen and go over the presentation, and we'll jump right in. Go ahead and save your comments or questions until the end, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for stopping by tonight. We're going to talk about a company called Ingreso Cybernetico. It's the resource for entrepreneurs to do business on the internet. And I want to tell you all about it today. Every time I talk about it, I get excited because it's such a tremendous value. So let's start with a kind of a definition almost, what history. What is Ingreso Cybernetico, okay? So Ingreso Cybernetico is a complete turnkey business. We offer a tool suite of products every marketer wants and needs to be successful online. We show you step-by-step how to use the tools, as well as strategies and techniques to be successful on the internet. Ingreso Cybernetico combines the best of both internet marketing and the home-based business industry with our tool suite and aggressive comp plan. So who is Ingreso Cybernetico? You want to know a little bit who's behind the company, when they started, things like that. So let's cover that for you. The company is based out of Medellin, Colombia. They started doing business in September of 2012. It converted to English and Portuguese in 2014. It's truly a global opportunity. We are committed to providing online business services for all who choose to utilize our products and services around the world. All right, so the company owners from left to right, you have Juan Carlos Olaya. In the middle is Dwayne Golden. And on the right is Jatin Patel. So you have the president, the CEO, and the CIO right there in charge. And of course, Dwayne Jr. is a big part of the company as well as many people behind the scenes. Let's talk about the tool suite of products that's offered by Ingreso Cybernetico. So you have Cybernetico Live. That's what we're using right now to bring. It's just launched the world's first all-in-one webinar hangout business suite. We have Chat and Serve and Premier Communication Live Chat and Support Ticket System. Now, if you ever heard the money's in the list, we have Magic Responders, the ultimate lead generation system. It's a great autoresponder that you can use through email, and also there's some text messaging capabilities back there as well. One of my favorites is you can make some great landing pages with IC lead pages. And then Ingreso Cloud, we just did a training on that the other night. That's where you can back up all the information on your computer. Works on both Mac and PC. You have IC Host World. You're going to be able to host your own website right through IC Host World, so you can have WordPress, a blog put up, totally customized to you, control all the widgets, do whatever you want to on it. Ingreso app, okay, there's two different aspects to look at that. You're going to have an app that you can run your business off of. Plus, once you get to one of the higher business centers, you can actually have a custom app. You submit the request into the Ingreso Cybernetico programmers, and they'll build it for you, whatever you want done, basically, okay? And then you have the IC Language Institute, and then digital products. What's cool about digital products is you not only can download them and use them, some of them are widgets, some are ebooks, things like that, and trainings, but you also, every one of those that you have access to, you're going to be able to resell for it and keep all the money, keep 100% of the commissions right inside your IC e-wallet until it's time to pull money out. And of course, you can get your domain name right through Ingreso as well.
Hey, Tom, it seems like people are losing us.
Yeah, I see that, but I'm just going to have to roll through it for the ones that can see it.
Okay,
There's not much else I
okay,
can
no
do at this
problem.
point. All right, so the IC partnership program, basically what that is you can become a partner with Ingreso Cybernetico and earn just like you're an owner, okay? You can receive up to 100% commissions on select Ingreso Cybernetico products, and this program is optional. It costs an additional $300 per year to participate in that. If you want to do it, lock your spot in before the end of August here, because that's about to close down, just to keep the numbers down so people that are out there selling it won't have the market flooded with other affiliates, okay? So it's something you want to take advantage of. Go ahead and do that before the end of this month. And I want to talk about the different ways that you get paid, okay? So you can get paid 10 different ways. Let's cover those right now for you. You have the 2x2 business centers, and I'll go over what those are here in a graphic here in just a minute. You have the digital products, the ones I just talked about, where you can get 100% direct commissions on those. You have the residual unilevel commissions. That's my favorite because I love residual income. Once I get something going and built up, I like to be able to earn on it for a long time into the future. You have the entrepreneur bonuses. So like, for example, say you're level 1, when they close out the $50 business center, you're going to earn $5. You're level 2. When someone in your level 2 does, you're going to earn 3. Someone in your level 3 does, you're going to earn $2. You'll see more about that here in a minute. Plenty of contests going on that you can earn money with throughout the month, and there's another one that's part of what do you call it, Smart Order, which I'll talk about here in a little bit. But there's an extra contest for members of their Smart Order, and that basically means you put your $25 monthly cost on auto ship. Okay. There's a lifestyle car bonus that's available with the presidential membership. The affiliate partnership commissions. That's what I just talked about a minute ago, where you're going to have to be part of that partnership to be able to take care of that. Live chat service to companies. It's really awesome. Dwayne Jr. has been putting together some trainings that shows you how to go out and earn a living, okay, on earn a living, right? Earn a good income from sharing, all right, a service that you can offer other people. So you're not actually selling them the chat and serve. You're setting up with chat agents and whatnot, and you're offering a service that maybe $2,500 a month per client or something like that. So it's really great. And then the new pay plan has the team building bonus, which is a really awesome feature that they added this year. Now let's talk about how these different matrices work. You have the entrepreneur level, that's the $50 level. You only have to pay that $50 one time, okay? You're gonna have access to digital products and Magic Responder at that point. All of these matrices are a 2x2, so that means it takes 6 members to fill them up. So whether you fill them up or you fill in 2 and they fill in 2, that's basically how you complete a business center. And when you do, you're gonna get paid. After you do that, you start right back over on another business center, the same entrepreneur level, but you don't have to pay that 50 again. Like I said, it's only one time. So when you close out the 50, you're in $125. So that's a great way to kind of cycle through and make some good upfront money while you're building up your residual income. It's one of the things I really love about Ingreso Cybernetico. The next business level we're going to talk about is a business specialist. There's a 2x2 following matrix. It's a $100 one-time payment, kind of just like the 50, only it's $100. Works the same way. When you fill it up, you get paid $300. You start back over on another $100 level. You don't have to pay that $100 again. And another thing that's really cool about all this is the fact that basically when you sponsor someone direct to you and they complete that same business center, they're going to fall back under you again on the next one after they complete theirs. So that works out really good. And the $300 level right here, you get more and more products. You finish that one out and you actually earn $900, okay? Hold on here just a second. All right, guys, if you can't see the screen right now, we got some tech guys working on it, trying to figure out what's going on. So we'll just keep rolling right through this for the folks that can see it. And as you notice on the bottom of the screen, it has all the products that you get. So at this $300 level, you're going to have access to almost everything. You have digital products, Magic Responder, Cybernetico Live, Chat and Serve, lead pages, the whole works, right? And as we start going up higher and higher, we'll add a few more things, but you're going to increase the capacity of each one of these as well. So say for Magic Responder, you had, you know, maybe it was 500 capacity of subscribers, right? And then you jump up to the next level, your capacity goes up. Same with Cybernetico Live, same with Chat Serve, the amount of agents you can have, so on and so forth. You get more storage in the cloud. So that's really how that works out right there. And then you can keep all these going for only 25 bucks a month. I'll show you that here in a minute. But when you close out your business director center, you're actually going to earn $1,500. So that's starting to get to be a pretty nice payday right there. Okay. Next level is the vice president level. It's starting to get exciting, guys. That's a $1,500 one-time payment. Okay. The $1,500 you only have to pay one time. You're going to have digital products, Magic Responder, Cybernetical Live, all that stuff, increased capacity. And here's the other thing: you increase the ability to earn, because your payday jumps up to $4,500 when you close out this business center. So who's excited about having a $4,500 payday? I know I am. That's pretty good right there. So this $3,500 level, we call it the executive vice president level. You have the highest capacity you could imagine, basically, right here on all the different products that we offer. And this is where you can get that custom app built. Remember I talked about that in the beginning? That custom app right there is going to be able to be used by you. There's a form in the back office. Once you get this level, you can download it, tell them what you want, and get that created for it. It's really exciting stuff right there. And check this out: your ability to earn is off the charts. You can earn $10,500, okay, when you close out this business center right there. So that's really exciting. Let's go on to the next slide. All right, so this is kind of a new position that's just been added this year. It's the executive board position. It's $7,500. It's a one-time payment. There's so much value that we ran out of room to fit it all on that page right there, guys. And check this out: it's $22,500. All right, when you close out that business center. So I mean, I don't know about you, but if you did that a couple times a year, it'd be pretty exciting, wouldn't it? Right? And in addition to everything else you're doing. Now let's talk about one of my favorite parts here, and it's the residual income. I'm going to wait here just a second. I'm going to grab a drink of water. So if you guys want to grab a drink of water too, we'll be ready to go here in just a minute. Now, this is a hypothetical situation here. You and I will both know that these things never work out even all the way through, but we're going to talk about, just for the ease of math, you got 4 members, they got 4 members, so on and so forth, all the way down. Now, if you're not part of the president's circle, you can earn down to 5 levels. If you look at level 1, it's $5 per person per month. Level 2, $2, and then $1 each on levels 3, 4, and 5. Now, what that comes out of the $25 monthly membership fee. It covers basically everything that you have going. Keeps all your hosting accounts going. Everything's going, right? It keeps your e-wallets covered too. You don't have to go out and buy a separate merchant account or anything. It's covered right through Ingreso Cybernetico. Everything stays greased and working when you're paying that $25 a month, and this is what they do with it. They pretty much pay almost all of that right back out to the field. So if you look, you filled this hypothetical situation now down 5 levels. That's almost $1,400. That's $1,396 a month right there. So that's pretty good. Now here's where it starts to get exciting. If you know that darker red color at the bottom there, start from level 6 all the way down to level 12. Level 12 was new this year too. They used to stop at level 11. So when they added that new level, as far as that executive board, they added another level to the residual as well. So you can earn all the way down to level 12 when you're part of that President's Club and you're on Smart Order. Okay. So here's the deal. Smart Order is where you automatically pay your 25 bucks a month versus just going and doing it manually. So you're going to want to do that. I set mine up the other day. It increased wherever I was at on the Magic Responder capacity. Did a few other things too, but this I noticed right away. It bumped up to 20,000. So that's an awesome value right there in itself, plus some of the other abilities you have to earn when you're part of Smart Order. So you definitely want to do that. But take a look at this. Say level 7. You filled it out, whatever you had to do. Maybe you had to do 8, so it added up to 16,000 back down on level 7. Doesn't really matter. Whatever it takes to get there, right? But that's almost $60,000 per month, guys. It's not per year, it's per month. $58,740. So to me, that starts getting really exciting. That's definitely life-changing income, and we love residual income here, and we love to pay it out of Ingreso Cybernetico. So just be faithful in paying that $2,500, whether you want to do it manually or Smart Order. I highly recommend you doing it on Smart Order, okay? That way you don't forget. All right, let's talk about that President Circle a little bit more. It's a one-time payment of $300. This one's not yearly. The President Circle is just a one-time. You get additional products. Now, whoever invited you here tonight, they're already going to have an Ingreso Cybernetico website, okay? So what you can do is go to the front of their website and look at all the products that you have, and then also has another chart underneath that talks about the additional products you get when you're part of the President Circle. So you see a lot of value there. Like I just explained also, the residual unilevel commissions opens up from level 6 through 12. And you also have presidential fast start bonuses that you'll see once you get in there and get started with a shared Ingreso on levels 1 through 5. You also, when you're on Smart Order and President Circle membership, you have the ability to earn money in the lifestyle and the car bonus, okay? So it's definitely something you want to take advantage of. because that car bonus is pretty sweet. Let me talk about it a little bit. You know, the slide right here, it shows a family that are happy in their new Audi, and it says earn an additional 500 or more a month. So it's not a set car bonus. You don't have to wait 90 days to qualify for it. If you qualify for it month one, you get it. You can spend it on whatever you want. Okay, so here's the deal. If you qualify for it double, you can get paid double. You know, there's a way to earn the 500 bucks. If you do double that amount, and you'll see once you get started, it'll make a little more sense to you. But I've seen guys get huge car bonuses, several $1,000s, because they just qualified for it multi times over. It's kind of amazing how it works. So you definitely want to make yourself car qualified every month, at the end of every month, if it's at all possible. Okay. So I mean, at this point, I know we had a little technical difficulties getting this webinar going, but you're probably asking yourself, you know, how do I get started? You know, the next step is going to be just get back with the person who referred you to this webinar. Okay. Decide what level you want to start at, and then plug into that 30-day blueprint and the weekly trainings that we have, and just get going, dive right in. You're going to love it. And you want to go ahead and get started today. I'm going to jump back over to the webinar slide here to see if you guys got any questions. You can type them in the chat box, okay? Oh, I just got your message. Okay, guys, I'm not seeing any questions pop up, so just get back with whoever invited you here tonight, and we'll see you on the inside.